What was once maybe 400 people is now over 700 in Valencia this year, and it's drawing people from across Europe. It's a chance for everyone in tourism to get together and learn from each other. Best practices maybe in one destination can apply to others as well. This entire team is so dedicated, being a part of making sure it's a very successful event for an operator like us who is here. So the team here just makes it so easy. We look for locations that are kind of smaller markets, not a massive city, and a place where our attendees can run into each other in the city as well. So even in our nights leading up to the conference, people were in town, hanging out in cafes, finding each other in restaurants. Great connectivity with the airport. It was really easy for people to get here, and it's very easy to get into the city center. We found it a place where everyone is speaking English. Everyone feels incredibly safe in Valencia. The weather is amazing. It's just a perfect place for a destination.